Beloved Hazur, my question is that Hazrat Masih Maud has defined the word muttaqi as one who fears. My question is it more important to have the fear of Allah in your heart or the love of Allah, and are these two things independent of each other?
I think you only read one passage of the Prophet Muhammad, not any book. Huh?
Hazur is actually from Al-Fuzat, so it was an excerpt.
So he has elaborated and explained these things in some other books and other speeches and addresses and his discourses. That what the muttaqi means. Fear of Allah, but not because of his being cruel to the human being. But you should fear Allah because you love Him. You have a fear that if you do something wrong, He will not be happy with you. So to make Him happy, you always do good things. Out of love you fear Him. As you fear your parents or any loved one, not because of their cruel actions. They love you. Who loves you in this world more than your mother? Right? But you fear her. You cannot do something wrong in front of her. Right? The same way, you should fear Allah Ta'ala. He is most loving, caring. And if you fear Him and you love Him, then you would see that how He treats you and how you will be saved from bad things. So your fear should be out of love of Allah Ta'ala, not because of His being cruel to the human beings. Okay? No contradiction. And read more passages and excerpts or the books of Prophet Islam. Even in the essence of Islam, you can read some more passages. Right? ठीक है? ठीक है. Assalamu alaikum.